Definitely I knew this, but apparently I think I got the wrong one. This is another box from Cool Blue, and I think what I ordered here is actually, okay, so let's open. This is the merchant name, Cool Blue. It's where you can buy electronics, a lot of stuff. So here's what's inside. So I actually bought as well the I actually bought as well the baking and cooking trays from Tefal. So this is so here you can see, add a cooking level to your Easy Fry Tefal. I think it's a lot easier if we have this, so then you know that it fits with the air fryer. Just see what's inside. Oh, actually these are big. Well, the air fryer is not so big like inside. So this is what we have. It's like a baking tray. I think it's good if you have like a small pizza, because the air fryer is obviously, it's not only for frying, but it's also actually for roasting or baking. So yeah, it has many uses, not only for frying. Here, so you have this like little bowl, which is quite nice. I think when you have chicken or chicken wings. What else is inside? So it comes with a trays as well. So for example, you have pizza and you just put something here. And another one. So there's also this one for roasting or when you are grilling. So that there's actually like mga parang barbecue sticks. So para sa mga meat, I'll just pull it out. So here, and then you put it here. So para kang nag-grill or nag-barbecue. Yeah. So these are the items inside this box, and of course we have the manual. So Easy Fry accessories. So of course we will read it later on. And the other item is the TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. I bought this because minsan kasi nagbabagal yung internet pag nasa room na ako. So yung Wi-Fi extender ko is in my living room. Yung Wi-Fi router ko is in my living room, or yung, yeah, I don't know what to call it, router. So, hindi naman malaki yung apartment ko. It's only about 50, 60 square meters. But pag nasa room na ako, especially if I close the door, for some reason, nagbabagal siya. So, minsan, magpi-play ka ng videos, hindi na siya nag-e-end. So, works with any Wi-Fi router. The brand is TP-Link. It's called Wi-Fi Range Extender. So AC1750 dual band, up to 1300 Mbps, 5 gigahertz, I think. And then, yeah, there are some specifications. So it says here up to 1115 square meters of coverage. So malaki yung coverage niya if you have really like multi-level story na house, I think this works best. And then easy setup via Tether app. So open what's really inside, like how it looks like, the modem itself or the device itself. So here, of course, it comes with a manual, quick installation guide. This is very important, of course, I would need it. And then here, yeah, so this is how it looks like. Oh, it's quite huge. I was expecting like lit lang siya. But here, I'm not sure if you can see it well. So yan, ganyan siya. And then cute, taking off the something. So I think it can go like that. And then it's a plug-in device. So you just find like an outlet, and then I think ipa-plug in mo lang to. And then in here on the side, you have the power, LED, and reset. So, okay, partial. Ganyan. And then of course, power. I don't know how to operate it yet, but of course we need to check the installation guide to make sure that we follow the instructions safely and accordingly. So yes, so I need this kasi minsan I set up my home office in my room, sa bedroom, my maliit na corner. But pag dito ako sa living room, walang problema sa connection. But when I come in the room, yun, nagloloko-loko siya. Especially if you have meetings, Zoom meetings, yeah, magbe-break yung mga voices ng mga tao. And lastly, what's inside, of course, is I also got this, the air fryer, like cookbook. I don't know. But yeah, because it's my first time, I'm not very familiar with it. I think I would need this, like, to better maximize the machine as well. Kasi feeling ko, since I'm not a kitchen person, wala akong cooking skills, definitely I need this. But apparently, I think I got the wrong one. Oh my god. Yeah. Paano na siya? Dutch. I didn't check. Maybe I'll return this. Look, ang dami niya sanang options here. Like what you can do with your air fryer. What are the different menus? Unfortunately, it's in Dutch. So baking, yeah, some good stuffs here. Unfortunately, it's in Dutch. And I've been here for 5 years. But, wala yung Dutch ko. So I need a refresher course. So yes, that's it for my unboxing. Hope you enjoy my videos and see you in my next videos. And before I end this, I just wanted to say thank you to all of you who are still supporting me, who are still watching my videos, leaving comments and liking whatever I post. So thank you very much. I appreciate each one of you. Have a nice day to all and stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.